So the month ahead binder, I decided to do this because I realized that this month I've already, like, my bills were made early.
Just short of straw, I'm ballin'. 20 of the spies are calling. When we let it slide, as you call.
Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. Let's talk about today's positive quote. The quote for today is, do what you can with what you have where you are. Don't try to do what everybody else is doing, because everyone's situation is different and you might not be having the same income as this person. You might not live the same place as this person. Just work with what you got, okay? The month ahead binder, I decided to do this because I realized that this month I've already, like, my bills were made early and I still have a bunch of appointments remaining. So what, in my mind, I'm just like, okay, so the balance of all my appointments that I have remaining after I take my bills out, probably I should put it towards next month bills to be 1 month ahead. So that is why I've decided to do the 1 month ahead binder. Also, this binder will be available on the website today. You guys can purchase it. It's there. Before I put the binder together, I want to tell you guys, I want to elaborate a little bit more on it, because especially for my beginners out there, I'm also a beginner as well, but I've done my research. I've watched multiple budget channels on YouTube, especially the ones that have been doing cash stuffing for a long time. Guys, you can watch them as well. You'll learn a lot, but I do watch a lot of them. For example, Beautifully Me and You, Black and Blue, Baddies and Budgets, and I think there's another one that I do watch, Daisy Budgets. I watch and I do a lot of research, and I've seen Baddies and Budgets do the month ahead lately, and I was like, that's a really good idea. And in my head, I'm like, since I'm having so much remaining balance, probably I should work on a month ahead binder to get a month ahead on my bills. So the month ahead binder is basically you trying to get a month ahead on all your bills, just in case you fall back at any time. You know what I mean? Me personally, I'm going to try to get a month ahead, and then if ever I fall back is when I'm going to rely on this. I guess you can do it like that, or you probably could, when you get to a month ahead, probably you pay the bills a month ahead if you guys want to do that. But me personally, I don't want to do that. I would just keep my month ahead money until I need it, then I will use it. That's what my plan is. But so this is what's in the month ahead binder. I have a little page here where you're going to write down all the expenses and the total of each, and then you're going to total all the expenses in the bottom. And then each page is like this, kind of like a saving challenge setup. So you see how this one says rent at the top. It has the amount of hearts that's on here and how much each art is going to be and what's the total that you're trying to reach. So for example, let me get my calculator. All right, so for example, my rent, well, my part of the rent is $750. Now right here it tells us that there is 72 hearts. So what you're going to do is you're going to divide 750 by 72 to get how much each heart is going to be. So me, I am going to round this up because it says 10.41. I can either do $10.50, which I'm not going to do because I don't want coins here. I'm just going to round it up to $11. So each heart for me is going to be $11. So every time I'm going to put $11 down, I'll shade the heart in. So basically, you're going to take the total amount of your bills and you're going to divide it by however many hearts is on the paper. And then what you're going to do is you are going to put down that amount of money for each heart. So these, I try to incorporate different size hearts, as you guys can see, because there's different size bills. So for example, this is my car insurance. It's normally $300. I'm going to this has 28 hearts on it. I'm going to divide it by 28. That means I'll be still putting down $11 per heart. But imagine if it was like this size. You see what I'm trying to say? Like, so I try to incorporate multiple different size hearts to get a month ahead. So if you guys are interested in the month ahead binder, it is on my website for sale. You guys can check that out. But today I'm going to be putting mine together. I've already made the envelopes. I already made my cards, and I'm just going to put it together in the binder. I kind of wanted to do this video just to let you guys know that I'm starting a month ahead binder, and also just to let you guys know that it is available on the website. That's the main purpose of this, and also to let you guys know that I'm starting a month ahead binder, because I don't want to be doing my videos pulling out this binder and you guys are surprised like, whoa, what is this? When did this happen? So this is kind of why I'm making this video. It's for you guys to know that your girl has decided to do a month ahead, because she realizes that she has so much balance remaining. Multiple months, not every single month, but this month, it probably is the most I've ever had left over. So the only difference with the month ahead binder on the website is not rose gold, it is gold. That's the only difference, but everything else is the same. And I included more of these, and I kind of didn't label them. I just left a line so you guys could write in whatever bill it is that you're working on, because I know everyone's bills are different. So I kind of just left the top blank, that way you can fit in what bill each page is for, and basically how much each heart's gonna be, and what's the total of each is going to be. So this is the binder. It is completed. I already pre-did everything, as y'all can see. So it says month ahead. It has 3 little pink flowers. You really have to see them because I didn't really want it to be too out there. And yeah, so open it up. We have our total expenses. There's so much dust and stuff. Rent, car payment, my subscriptions, utilities, my car insurance, and my phone bill. And those are other bills that I pay. So for each situation, it's going to be different. You guys can go over your bills and put it into the month ahead binder and do whatever you're doing your way. But this is the month ahead binder, the gold one. It's the only difference, like I said, is gold right here. But it's available on the website. I have a limited quantity, so if you guys want it, go grab it. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. I am so grateful for your time. You guys are so amazing. You guys are so, I love y'all to death. I can't even say.
I used to work the day away. I figured I could maybe pave a way. No, it's niggas that count the